Hello, and we finally have a new pope. The white smoke has arrived in 2 days, as we have a new pope from America. The first time ever in 2,000 years. And also, you take Pope Francis has been Pope for a long time, actually. And also, Pope Francis was a Pope too. And he was the new Pope. And he was also a new Pope is from America. We have a new Pope. The white smoke has came out on May the 8th in 2025. And also, hasn't been like we had Pope Francis for a long time. As we also had Pope Francis. And we have a new Pope now, and the rain is now coming down, the white rain, because now we have a new Pope. And as you can see, it's coming down. And there is a new Pope. And thanks for watching us. Don't forget to click the Nathaniel Hoover app. There's also some more videos.